All right, come on. In this video today, I'm going to be reinstalling this undermount sink here. A few things here. We've got our silicone that we're going to put all along the ledge of this undermounted sink here. We've got a clamp that we're going to use to help us hold the sink in while the silicone dries. And also, we've got these clips here that we're going to use. So the first thing I'm going to do is put a bead of silicone around the edge here. I've already kind of cleaned the old silicone off, and now we're ready to put the new silicone on. So let's do that. So yeah, we're just going to put a nice liberal amount of silicone all around. I have seen people only use silicone for an undermounted sink, which is crazy, but surprisingly they hold and they stay in. But this one we have the clamps as well. Okay, now that we have the bead on, I'm gonna get this sink underneath the countertop there, and I'm gonna push it up, but also at the same time have my clamp ready. So now let's go ahead and do that. So what's cool about this clamp is you can detach this thing and move it all the way like this till it comes off. Actually, it disconnects like this. So we're just going to disconnect this thing, and then yeah, we can use this. You'll see here in a sec. The thing I forgot to mention is we're going to use a piece of wood. We're going to use a piece of wood across the top here that the clamp is going to hold on to. So let's get that ready. Okay, so I'm going to go under this thing. I really need to have my clamp ready. So it's going to be a little tricky. It's definitely going to be a little tricky to do. Let's see though. Okay, so for the most part, I like my position. Now, can we get all right? Got the bottom clamp mostly on. All right, come on. Now, we're gonna get the position we like. Get a little centered. Look at this, I got it all over my arms. Happens, right? I mean, that's pretty centered right there. I'm just gonna squeeze this tight. And that's pretty much it. We're in. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna let this sit over the rest of the weekend, and you see the clamp is underneath the hole holding it up. For the most part, it's centered. I think we're good to go. Let's make sure we got clearance. Yep. All right. So once this is dry, we'll put the clamps in, and maybe even put the clamps in now. Really doesn't too much matter. It's gonna dry up over the weekend, so that's about it.